When it comes to performance for WordPress hosting, Cloudways and WP Engine are two of the most popular names. But which one truly offers the best performance? In this video, we're diving deep into Cloudways versus WP Engine and comparing their speeds, scalability, features, and value. Stick around because by the end, I'll reveal which one I recommend, and spoiler alert, it's not one of these two. Let's start with performance speed. The first thing you want in any hosting service is fast load times, and this is where the competition gets interesting. Cloudways offers cloud hosting and gives you the freedom to choose from several providers like AWS, Google Cloud, and DigitalOcean. You're essentially getting a performance-boosted experience right out of the gate. On the other hand, WP Engine uses its own managed hosting platform optimized for WordPress. While it's fast, especially on its higher-tier plans, it's not as flexible with the cloud providers it uses. Next, let's talk about server customization. Cloudways takes the win here. It gives you full control over your server settings, allowing for easy optimization for high-traffic sites. You can scale resources up or down based on traffic spikes, which is a huge bonus for growing businesses or heavy-traffic WordPress sites. WP Engine, while offering solid performance, lacks this level of granular control. You're stuck with their pre-configured servers, and scalability is a bit more rigid. Now, let's consider user-friendliness. WP Engine has a more streamlined interface, which is great for beginners. Everything is set up for you, and the dashboard is intuitive, allowing even non-technical users to manage their websites with ease. Cloudways is slightly more complex. It's geared towards users who have a little more technical know-how or who want complete control over their hosting environment. For those who just want to get a site up and running fast, WP Engine might be the better choice. Moving on to pricing. Cloudways is known for its flexibility and affordability. You can choose a cloud provider based on your budget, and prices are very transparent, with no hidden costs. WP Engine, on the other hand, is more expensive. The price is justified with managed services and additional features, but it's definitely something to consider if you're on a budget. The fourth thing to consider is support. Both services offer excellent customer support. WP Engine provides 24/7 live chat and phone support, and their team is highly specialized in WordPress, which means you'll get expert-level assistance when needed. Cloudways also has strong support with 24/7 live chat, but the support experience can vary depending on the cloud provider you choose. Some users report better experiences with certain providers, so that's something to keep in mind. Lastly, let's look at security. Both Cloudways and WP Engine offer excellent security features. WP Engine includes daily backups, malware scans, and SSL certificates as part of their plan, which is a nice bonus. Cloudways also has these features, but you may need to configure some of them yourself depending on the cloud provider you choose. Overall, both are secure options, but WP Engine does a bit more of the heavy lifting for you. So, after comparing Cloudways and WP Engine, which one is the winner? It depends on what you're looking for. If you want more control, customization, and flexibility at a lower price, Cloudways is your best bet. But if you're looking for a more managed, user-friendly experience with excellent customer support, WP Engine is a solid choice. But if you're serious about performance and want something that combines the best of both worlds, with a powerful free trial and exclusive benefits just for our viewers, then I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description. I've tried all of these services myself, and I found something that truly stands out when it comes to WordPress performance. Take advantage of the free trial and see for yourself.